Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. And this is the same list of data collection. So we already gone through two type of data gathering techniques, which is web scraping as well as public API access in my previous videos in the same playlist data collection, which we call as a data gathering. So let's move to the third type, which is SQL database access using SQLite. SQLite is a light database. We can use it online with the help of pandas. So to do that, we have to use a important module called as SQLite. SQLite, which is a module provides a DB API and which is interface to the SQLite library. Okay, to create and access SQLite database, we have to import this, and then to use a data manipulation, we have to import pandas as PD, which is a shortcut name of pandas. Then we have to make a connection to create in memory SQLite DB. We have to use a method SQLite.connect. SQLite.connect of memory, we are assigning to the connection one variable as CONN. And then to create a table inside the connection, we have to make a connection dot execute, that is CONN dot execute. Within that, we can create a table with a table name sales, and in that I'm creating ID, which is of int, and product, which is of text, and revenue, which is of int. So this is how we are creating the table sales with three variables like integer of id, text which is of product, and integer revenue. And then we'll insert a record into that table with the help of same connection.execute, where we are writing the query insert into sales values. Sales is our table name. So first we are inserting 1 comma shirt comma 200, which is id 1, product is shirt, and revenue is 200. Next again records we are putting as a 2 pants 300. This is a second record into the same table of sales. Then we'll make a commit, which is making the changes of whatever we made it. So just make a CONN dot commit. This is a function or a method to save the changes. Then we'll make a query table into data frame. So we'll call a df SQL one more df, which is pd.read SQL, because we have to read in the form of data frame. So we'll just make a select star from sales, which is again query to select all the values from the table sales, and comma connection what we are made it. Okay. Then we'll simply print it df.sql. I already executed, but once again I'll show you. See, so I've created table sales. In that I'm showing I have inserted two values with id 1 and 2 with the product shirt and pants, and revenue with 200 and 300. Like that, in the SQLite we can easily make a database management system with the query manipulation and editing. So let's move to the next one, how we can use Excel and CSV files to be uploaded. This is also one type of data collection, or we can call as extract data from CSV file, which is cascaded separate values as well as Excel files. Okay, so just think your files is already in the Colab. So for uploading files, you can make it a Colab. So from google.colab, import files for uploading files in Colab. And if you want to print something like please upload a sample CSV file, just print it. Then uploaded equal to files.upload function to trigger that file to upload in the Colab. Then use import IO method. Read uploaded files using pandas with the help of df CSV equal to pd dot read CSV of, in the function you have to write IO dot bytes IO, because you have to read it in bytes IO, and it is in the form of list of uploaded values, uploaded dot values. Okay, so from this you can upload it, and you can show that first head like a dfcsv dot head. So let's see that how we can use it. First it has to upload a sample file from us from the computer. So it asks first please upload a sample CSV file. Let's choose a files from my system. I'll take sample. Okay, I'll take one sample sales. Okay, Excel, sorry, is it CSV files? See, it's uploaded and showing the first head, means first five records: store, product, quantity, and revenue. which has store A, B, C, D, E with all different products with the quantity and revenue. This is how we can use a pandas, and with the help of data frame we can upload using the Colab and also read it and show it with a data frame. Similar way we can do with the Excel file. That's it. Instead of CSV here, you have to make the Excel to read it. Let's come to the cloud storage access simulation, which is through the Google Drive, how we can import, and through that content, how we can showcase. Okay, to do that, from google.colab, import drive, making the Google Drive integration. Then you have to mount the Google Drive to Colab environment with the help of drive.mount of content drive, which is part of your My Drive. Okay, then I'm just simply printing that list of files. So how to make it list of files? Ls with the help of this content drive and my drive. I'm just listing the content of from my drive now. Okay, just I'll just execute. So it connects to my drive first. It asks for the authentication first time, but I already executed. But if you're doing first time, it asks for the authentication. You just give the connectivity authentication yes, then it will connect to your Google Drive and it will listing your all the files in the drive. These all are files in my drives that it is showing. And last I can show you one more type, like Google form simulation. Okay, for this I'll just making the survey to files.upload. Okay, then I'm just making read that CSV into pandas data frame, like as I shown it, and survey.head. Similar way of making the things. I'll take survey responses, different files. I already have that files. See, survey response files, I can say it. So I just taken it from files.upload, and then I'm reading with the CSV with IO bytes, which I already shown you similar way. So thank you. And if you want a similar type of data science related technical videos, keep watching, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.